Hello and good evening, good evening, good evening. It is six oh six right now. So and then, I was just online and I'm looking for the papers because I was saying like it's a poor person's order. That's what they call it. When you go online, they have it and they still call it that. It's a poor person's order. So it's an order. I'm gonna show you because it's like I'm not just talking because I don't know. No, I know because I worked there, so I know the papers. Let's see. So this is the order, right? It's the order. Does it say it there? It doesn't say it there. Yeah, it says it here. Is for permission to proceed as a poor person, a matter against, and then you can who you're suing. But is letting you sue them. You could sue them. You can sue them. And then it's like the judge has to sign it. The judge signs it. And it's a real order. You have to give the grounds. I have a 405-page document that was filed in March 1st of 2024. You have to fill in the information. This is, and then there's an affidavit, like an affidavit of service. Not affidavit of service. It's like, yeah, affidavit in support of application to proceed as a poor person. So it's like that. And then it's three pages. It's 3 pages, but and then it's gonna ask you your source of income and stuff like that. And then it has to be notarized. You sign and it has to be notarized. You know, these are documents. It's found online. It's online at the website for the courthouse. So I'm in New York. I'm in New York. So it's nycourts.gov. You want the paperwork, you go to forms to download the form that you may need for the court proceeding or whatever you may need. You can download the form there. If you have an attorney, great for you. But you see, this is called poor person's order. That's what they call us, a poor person's order, right? But then they also have like they want to confuse things. So and then this is the application, the order application to waive court costs, fees, and expenses. This is a 2-page order, and the judge still signs it. I know YouTube has it looking backwards, but the judge has to sign it. You just have to fill it out, but the judge signs it. That one, and that's the order, right? And this is an application. The application is 3 pages too, but it has a whole bunch of questions. And you sign it, and the notary has to sign it. It does have to, yeah, it has to be notarized. This one has to be notarized, and the other one, the judge signs it. But this is also, so download both of them, the poor person's order, the affidavit in support of the poor person's order, and then you have to get to the application to waive court costs, fees, and expenses. This is the application. And then this is the order. This is the order. The judge signs this one. So it's 2 forms that you're going to need. I printed them both. The order, the application to waive the costs and fees. And then I don't care. They could call me a poor person. But this is the poor person's order that is to proceed as a poor person. Like, I don't care if I could, as long as I get to file my documents, I'm fine. Because to proceed, to continue to file, I have to pay the fees all over again. And I'm like, wow, so I got to pay the fees all over again? What if you don't have the money to pay the fees all over again? That's $210 because you have to pay for the index numbers, $210. Then it's $125 for the motion, $35, $45, like whatever fee it is. When you get this form, it waives the fee. You know, the courts, it's all the same. It's the system, it's all the same. You go to the website, it's the same thing. You just have to look for the form. You have to look for it and print it out, you know? I'm looking for the default judgment. Everywhere I go, I have to pay for the form. I'll do that on my time. But this one was for the poor person's order. It is a real order, and it's also an application to waive the court costs, fees, and expenses. It's the same thing, but it's like I just downloaded them both so that if they do want to give you a hard time, like if they want to give me a hard time, I'm ready. I'm ready. You can't play with me. I'm ready already. Like what you want? I got both. What you want? Which one? Always leave a love, stay positive, vibe high. And I'm just putting the information out there because I am positive it can help someone that is having some sort of court dealings, or you're dealing with things and you want to file a judgment, you want to do something and then you don't have the money. Yeah, you can file, you can request to have the fees waived, the fee waiver, or they're going to have you, they'll call you a poor person. So I have them both. Call me a poor person. I don't care. I don't care. Like as long as I get to file my documents, I don't care what you call me. Be with love. Bye.